Click your disconnect. What will it happen? Disconnect for what?
To disconnect Bluetooth.
Disconnect for what?
For Bluetooth.
Disconnect for light or for connecting Bluetooth?
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth, right? PT module. So here, to find out disconnect PT module, okay? So it will be the purple one and this one. So disconnect for what? For the PT module. So you code PT module to disconnect. If you click this button, you code PT module to disconnect. Okay? Okay? So you need to think about what about this function do, and you find out you call it to do what. Okay? So here, I teach guys again. Disconnect for what? Not disconnect for your laptop, not disconnect for your light, but disconnect your PT module. So you need to find Bluetooth disconnect. It will call your cell phone to disconnect this PT module. And you can compare with your friend or the new Bluetooth device. Okay? Next or okay. Okay, next steps. Okay, so the next steps will be a little difficult. Okay. So now we just let this list before picking. You will show the elements, but after picking, we need to compare. So next steps, we need to write it how to compare. Okay, this one just show PT device you can click, but you click next steps, you need that cell phone automatic use Bluetooth to compare with your photo viewer, right? Nice. So next step will be more fun. After picking, right? So here for the first, we just picking. And after picking, we need that X automatic compare with our photo viewer Bluetooth device, okay? So next is after picking. Okay? And now if then, in your control you can find out if then, and drop out, if then, okay? Okay, that's it. Yeah.
How to remove this cross sign? This cross sign.
Just
And then because there's a duplicate.
you need to
how to do it?
trash it. Here.
But
Drag in trash.
drag.
Yeah. And drag in. Yeah. And say goodbye. Whoa.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, guys, this one. If you got a wrong hole, here is trash can. You just drop it here. It will disappear. Okay? And for your next steps, if you want to open another new project, you can use your back and you will store your code. And next new project, you can just click your back and drop out you need. Okay? That's cool. Okay. So it's just like a memory. Yeah, the back will memory what you want in memory. Okay? So here for the this speaker after picking. Shall we go next steps? Okay, next steps. If PT module connect address. Okay. So in here, guys, I want to ask you guys address connect what address? Think it. In our list, we need to pick out our list. So it will connect to our what? Our list, right? Because we collect our list, and it must be connect address about our list. List people selection. Okay, list people selection. So next we will let the module connect to our list picker selection. Selection about your selection. Okay? Wow, about your selection. Yeah. Pick up your selection, right? Okay, so next steps here, this picker we will find out selection, right? So here this typical selection. And this selection is you select, right? So select that. You click your components. You click your list. Okay? So I will try again. Here, PD module will click to your list picker selection. You select in your list, right? You just select this address and you will just connect. Okay? And next step, if we connect, we that is what? Disconnect. Visible or okay, visible. Maybe not visible or visible. We try this one. This one will be fun. We let disconnect text to what? I will show guys. Yeah, disconnect text. Okay. Enable. Oh, sorry to use this one. Not use text. We use enable. Enable. Where is enable? Here. We use enable. Okay. So we use enable. And text I will teach you guys later. Here. Enable. So if we click to our we just compare with our PD module disconnect enable will be true or false. True or false? Yeah, true. Yeah, true. Because you need to click this one for disconnect, right? And false means you cannot use this one. Or you forget this one. So enable true means you can use. Enable false means what? Cannot use, right? So here, okay? So here, logic to false. Okay? Okay? Now, for true. For true. So if you connect your list and disconnect will be true. If you not connect, disable disconnect will be disconnect enable will be false, right? That makes sense, right? If you connect, it will show you can click disconnect. If you didn't connect, this one will not show, right? Because you didn't connect your PD module, so you don't need to disconnect your cell phone to your to your device. Okay? Okay. So simply, you think every time. So here, this one will be funny. You can just change your disconnect text. So if you want to try another, wow, what happened? If you want to try another new one, you can try this. You can change your disconnect text. You can just change connect already. So what is this means? You don't need to type this one. I will teach you guys what is this. In here, designer, you just let this text for disconnect, right? So you can use blocks to change this one. It will show connect. You can change the button text. So here is just for the first. You see, if you connect every function, or you can just change your button text for use blocks. Okay? Okay. So here for disconnect, first here for enable, okay. Here you can see. So in first, this disconnect enable will be true or false if you didn't connect to your PD module. False. So here will be not okay, right? Not open. That means not open. So for first, you open your app. This disconnect you can use or cannot use. If you open your device and
Cannot use.
What?
Cannot use.
Cannot use, right? And if you just use PD device, you compare with your mini module, it will connect, right? You will connect and your disconnect enable will be can use. will be true. Okay? So here, enable just means we not let it can use. Okay? Think about it. So you need to try to think about first. This one function will be not used because your device is didn't compare with your BT module. So in first, this one will be not used. Okay. Okay. And if you connect to your BT module, you need to show a button that user to disconnect, right? So next step, you will show you can use. Okay. Maybe you can use visible. Visible that is the same means. You can let invisible first, don't show, next step show, or enable, can use, cannot use. Okay? So that's fun. Okay, next step, build your protocol. It's alright. Oh, not yet, sorry. Next steps, open and close. Open and close, okay? For the final steps. So here, but you can try this. This is very fun. Next, open. If you click open, and you can guess what will happen. Yeah, like what? Okay, light up. But how to light up? You teach. You need to think about how to light cell phone and PD module. That PD module knows to light up. Think about it. Use what? You need to let device know light up, right? So if you try just guess how to light up. You need to teach your device, tell your device open, right?
Yeah.
And use what to tell it?
Control.
Use what to tell this device open? BT module, right? So everything is BT module. You need to use BT module to send text. Teach your device open. So not just open, it will open. Never, okay, never. So here, next step, Bluetooth, you need to send text, right? You need to tell him, you need to tell the device what happened, right? So not just open, you will open. You link already, but you need to send text. Okay, you didn't send text, you link, but your device won't do anything, right? Okay. So send text, and text for what? Okay. Text for A. Why is A? I will teach you guys later. But first, just try this one. A, O, A, small A. Okay. And use duplicate. Like next close, and next will be what? A and B and C, so it will be B. And next steps, you can try another A, B, C, D. I will teach you guys why is A, B, C, D. Okay? So finish. So here, for your click open, Bluetooth will send text for one text, A. A will be sent to where? In your house, or sent to your AirPods, or your Apple Watch, or what? Which one? Sent to where? A will send to where? To where? Send to your mind, send to your store. Send to where? Your device. Yeah, in your device, not send your Bluetooth, send to your device. And you will teach your, and you will tell your device, you got A. You need to be do something for A motion, okay? For B motion, and you can just compare your A, compare your B, okay? So here, just build your protocol, right? And take out your cell phone to download this one. Go. Build, forget? Here, build. Don't forget this one. Build QR code, okay? And use your cell phone to use your cell phone and open your QR code scanner, okay? And before waiting for QR code, I will teach you guys another things. Okay. So guys, use your QR code. Okay, and here, guys, here. ASCII table. What is that? So here, you can see your A. A means 97, right? You got a number of 97 in the motor builder code. But I think guys is forget already. So here, 97, 98, 99 for what? You can see in your BT module in the here case 97. Hey guys, we already called this one or not yet? I forgot. You called this one before, right?
For the light.
So we didn't call this one. BT module code. At life we didn't call, right? Okay. So here you can see it's the same BT module. If I do CBT, right? Hey. Yeah. So we click here. Okay. Also, next step switch. At case 97, we will let LED high. 98 will be LED low. Why is 97, 98 will be AS2, ASCII. For 97 is A. So if you change for 100 or 100 will be what? 100 will be what? E. So in your APP inventor will be set text for A or B or C or B E. Okay, I'll say it again. Okay, in here, APP inventor will see the chart. Okay, but in our model builder, it will receive for number. Okay, so we use cell phone to send A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, whatever in chart. And in our model builder, we need to change our number. If we change for E, the number will be 101, 100, 101. And this one will be case A? Case A. E. No? A. Oh yeah, this one will be A, but we need to change for 101. And our F will be E. Right? A will be E. Okay? So if you change here in your F, you need to change the text you set. Okay? See it. So this is will be ASCII. So just for A for 97, B for 98, so you can control a lot of things. Use your cell phone, you can control, you can use your cell phone because for one, so you can control all of your system. Okay, and you can change to your big A or big B. That will be 65, 66, 67. So if I change big A, I want to use big A. In our app will be set what? Big A, right. In our module will be case 65. Oh, got it. So if you need to space or you need to use whatever you like. Okay? But not use this one because in app, maybe you can try. I didn't try this one. Yeah, you can try use this simple or use this simple. Okay. But remember, if you change, you need to change your app inventor. You need to change your receipt. Okay. Got it. Okay. So next steps, I will teach guys how to write it in your model builder. And next steps, we need to compare with our PD module, and you can just doing to pass. Just you need to think it. 1 for 1, y for y. Y this for y this one. Okay? Okay, that's that for here. So we got this one before. I forgot this one. Or not yet. I think this one is already right. This one we click this one before or not yet. Not yet. So but next step, I remember I visualized what is Wiki module and code. Okay. So okay, whatever. So here include that means you need to use this database. And this one I2CVT KX for 10, 11 for RS. So if you change your number in here, you need to whatever you need to change, right? Or if you use 5 and 6, and you will change this one for 5, 6, right? So here just 10 and 11 because I teach guys use 10 and 11. So theta, TX you need to use 10, RS you need to use 11. Okay? Okay, next step, your LED for the 13 port, right? 13 port, right? Okay, shall we go next steps? I see. I have page already. Okay, next steps. Here, for a stand-up 0 begin will be this one. Monitor windows in your monitor bounds. That means refresh number. I will use 9600, but here you can change. But I hope guys for first use this one. Okay. And in your Bluetooth bound will be the same. 9600. And pin mode means output means what? Remember? Output means what? You give LED for what? Oh, we need to text, right? For what? No? Turn on? No. You give it power. Well, first you need to give it power. Next steps you will teach or you will tell it open or close, right? So this one will be give it power, just give it power, okay? Just like electric, you give it electric, but you didn't switch on, it won't light up, right? But you didn't give it electric, it won't light up, okay? Okay. So here, output means you give it power, but you didn't tell LED what happened. So it won't do it, it won't do anything, okay? Just like people, we need to run, but before we run it, we need to eat something, right? But we eat something, we can run, but we don't eat something, we cannot run, just like this one. Okay. Okay? So first we need to give it food. Next steps next step we can tell you what to do. Okay? So next steps, okay? Next steps. Here for the loop. So in here we command 20 bytes variable to use your BT module. And this one, 8 insights. This insights variable will receive I2CVT. What is I2CVT? Remember? What is I2CVT? What is I2CVT means? I think I already teach guys before, right? Yeah, I think I already say it. Next class, I think I already said it again. No. Are you sure? I was recording. I think I have to say it again. Okay. If you forgot, I will say it again. So what is I2CVT? Yeah, so this one is Bluetooth. Okay, I2CPT means Bluetooth device. Okay, so this insight means if we got data, right? You can see here. Let me see answer here, right? You can see answer. So if you got data, your insights will be 0. If you got data, the insights will be 0. It won't be 0, right? If you get data, it won't be 0. Maybe it be 1, maybe it be 2. That depends on your device get. It depends on your PD module get the data, right? Get how many data, right? But won't be 0, right? If you get data, it won't be 0. It will be 1, it will be 2, but not for 0, right? Okay. So here first, insights means we are going to know I2CPT. We are going to know PD module get data or not get data, right? Okay. So in this one, that means will be get data, right? So insights, we will use insights to know I2CPT to know PD module get data or not get data. If get data, it will bigger than 0. Okay? So this one is bigger than 0. So we can move to the next steps, right? Okay? So it's that understand. It's very easy. You just see here, insights means we need to know system need to know PD module get data or not get data. If it get data, this number won't be 0. It will be bigger than 0. So that is means bigger than 0. Okay? Okay, next steps. If bigger than 0, and next steps, we need to use this variable to remember data means. Okay? So first we just know we got data. But next steps we need to store this data. So next step we need to write it to store this data. Okay? To store this data number. In cell phone we will set 97, 98, 97, 98. In our system we need to remember 97. So it will be next steps for open. We need to remember this 97, 98, right? We didn't remember, it won't show anything. It won't work, right? Okay? So in here, I variable means we need to store data. Store what data? In your cell phone send data. Okay, your cell phone will send A to your system. And I will remember this A. Okay? That is very easy to understand, right? So you need to store this data. You don't store it, it won't work in next steps. Okay? So here we use this variable to remember our data. I++ means I+1. So it will store in here, in this one. I will be 1 will be receive this I2CPT. And this I2CPT will be what? Maybe be A, maybe be B, right? Maybe be C. Yeah? Depends on your cell phone set. Okay? Depends on your cell phone set one. And this one will be C. Okay? And will be more understanding, right? So I means to remember or be store the number, okay? Store the file, store the chart, and what chart? This chart will be your cell phone, right? Your cell phone just send the chart to your device, okay? So guys, do you have question? You need to save it, and yeah. Okay, so guys, try it, and you can see in here. Chart means Try means what? Text, right? And read means what? Read the bell, but for the what bell? I2CPT. So I2CPT is what? Bluetooth. Wow, you got it. So try it. And try it. Next it. OK OK 好 OK OK 什么时候？我12点不调嘛，今天课到11点，我中午把它准备好。OK 好 OK 好，拜拜。Okay, so that means I will be 2 or be 1 will store I2CPT data and so on. I plus plus means it will store makes sense. Okay? So shall we go to next step? Is that ready? Yes, and here, zero print. What is zero print means? Print will print the number in your Bluetooth. So I will show next steps will print here. Okay? So this one, guys, see this one. I will print. I will write it down, but for the function, it can just delete because it is not. It's not for the function. It's just for the print the data. Print you can see it. Okay? Print means you can see it. So these two. Okay? And you guys you can see here 1 for 1 for your symbol. Okay. So here, guys, if you just type your print, you will see your AutoDuino. It will print the number. And if in our case, it will print one number. Because we just use AB, and it will print one number. 97, 98. 1 for A, 1 for B, 1 for A, 1 for B. So in zero print, it will just print a number. Okay? Okay. So next steps. Final steps. We need to use switch. Why is switch? Because we need open and close it. Switch on, switch off. Okay? So here switch command. And case 97, what means 97? That means A, right? So like just the same thing. And you just let it hide. So in here, if our system receives our bidding module text, it will be 97, 98, 97, and 98. So we just receive 97, we let it open high. And break means what? Break means what? If you didn't break, it will what happened? If you didn't write break, say what?
Continue.
Continue, right? So if you switch, if you touch 98, if you touch B, it will work or not? If you didn't have break. If you click your close, it will close. Okay, I just what? Yeah, it won't close because it will be here. If you didn't break, it won't receive another data. Okay? So this break means I teach this device. Okay, 97 you work and you need to receive another number. Okay? But it will show break and it will show high. LED will show high. But it can receive number because you got this break. If you didn't get this break, your device won't receive another number. You cannot close it. You will see your light always open and so blinking, so shiny. Okay? So here I finished. So in your device, you can use 97, 98, 99, 100 because you've got a lot of small devices, right? So you need a lot of numbers to open, to close, to open, to close to open. So one for open, one for close. We need to use two numbers for control open and close. And you have 4 devices, so that means you need 8. 8. Because one for one for open, one for close. And maybe you can just open, and one for all close. But if you close your device one for one, you need to 8 button or 8 number, and you need to use ASCII to find out number you need. Okay? So just upload it, and the next steps we just need to compare our Bluetooth, and you guys can be a DJ, right? DJ. I remember last class someone is DJ. Yeah, DJ, right? I remember. You can use cell phone to control a big DJ. And that means the IoT for the control. And next steps, we can use data to link to our web, and our web can be more function application. That will be IoT. Yeah, this is just for the control IoT. Yeah, control IoT. Okay, so guys, upload it and download your QR code. Okay, download your QR code, and you can back your IP Inventor. You can see your QR code is already show up, right? Uploading and how to upload. Guys, will come back. Okay. How to upload your device? Use first serial operate and is here. Uploading code. Okay. Uploading your code. Not checking. First, you're checking your code. You can see if you got green one, that means something wrong. Okay. And next is uploading your code. Okay. Okay. So next steps, download your app. Okay.
How to download? I forgot already to download this.
Yeah. Now upload it.
Oh, already.
Yeah, already to your device.
Yes.
Okay. Next steps, download your app. You need to switch to App Inventor. Okay. And download your app. So in your App Inventor, you will download your app. Okay. Download your app in your device. Next steps, we need to compare with our BT device. Okay. So guys, open your cell phone. Find out your BT function. In your setting, you will see your BT function. In your setting, you will find out Bluetooth. Okay. Next steps, we need to compare with our Bluetooth. Is that fast? Someone got question? Got compression? Also, you're working? No, you will link to another Bluetooth device. If you will see a lot of BT, right? HC-05, right? Okay. Shall we go next steps?
Oh my God. Wait.
You can make sure that will be yours, because guys is plugging in module, so you will see a lot of HC-05, right? So yeah, guys, here for open your device, you will see a lot of HC-05. You can link to your friends, but you cannot know what is yours. Okay, so next steps will be a little difficult. We need one group by one group connect. How to connect? If you need to connect, another student need to plug out their device. So that will be make sure this HC-05 is your device. Okay? So that understand. So here, who is ready? Okay, let's take out your cell phone and find out Bluetooth in your setting. In your setting. And guys, help me to plug out your device. We need to make one by one. So first, we will need to, you can see in your Bluetooth, you can see a lot of HC-05, right? You can see a lot of, maybe a lot of number, a lot of HC-05, okay? So we need to we need to connect one by one. And password will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so who first? You first? If you're first, your friend need to plug out your system.
Oh, did it?
In your setting. No. Yeah, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the password. But wait a minute, you can see. He is already work. You are already work. So no one knows this is this one or this one. So you need to call your friend, plug out.
Okay.
Yeah, plug out your device.
Okay.
Yeah, and guys, you plug out device and search again. It will make sure that will be yours. Okay? Do you understand that means? Because guys, pretty much your name is the same.
Hold on.
So we need to. So that means you compare with him. So connect already? Because that one is keys.
Oh, okay. My keys.
Yeah, your name is HC-05. So this one will be more difficult one by one, okay? One by one. So you can see your PD module, you can connect it, right? Yeah, that means you connect already. Okay, plug out.
Plug out.
Here. And next step your. You know what that means? Yeah, plug out. And here.
Plug in.
Plug in and refresh search HC-05. Refresh search Bluetooth device. And you will show one HC-05. That will be yours. If you see a 2, that means someone didn't plug out. And you can play it. You know what that means? So you just, for first 241, you just connect to him, not for connect to yours. Okay. Because that is the same name. Okay, it's connect?
No.
1, 2, 3, 4. Password will be 1, 2, 3, 4 in here. Okay? So okay, plug out.
Plug out.
Yeah, and who will need to be the next? Just tell guys who want to be the next. Me. Okay, so if you are his friend, you can plug in and play him. If you hate it, you can plug in and like it. Doesn't work, right? Yeah. So that is free running. Next time you can just compare with your friends, compare with another one, but don't be silly. Don't play this joke. Maybe that one will be unhappy because he cannot control his system. So you can see HC-0 will be his. Okay.
Can I?
Oh, no, you cannot. So guys, you can see who hate you, who hate you, who like you. Okay? So if you cannot, then you can just say, and next to that, just your turn, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you guys, you can download your app. Download your app. Don't be silly to do that. Download your app first.
Okay.
Yeah, download the app first. Okay. Who for next? Okay. So don't plug in. Plug on. Hey, plug on. He hates you. That's very bad. And download your app and see your BT list. You will find out your number right?
Okay.
Open your app and you will see in your list, you will see a lot of number. That means your BT device. And you can see the number will the same as your BT module, the same as the BT module back number. Okay. So open your, if you compare already, open your apps. Hey guys, you okay? Open your apps and click your BT device. Okay, that is very
So you said before our cell phone and our laptop should be in the same provider, right?
Same Wi-Fi?
Yeah.
No, that is for iOS system.
Oh, just for iOS.
Yeah,
oh,
yeah,
okay,
yeah,
got it.
It's connect? Yes. Okay, that's okay. Connect. Okay. Plug out. And who is be the next? You? You don't have cell phone?
No, I cannot do it, so I have to use the card
Oh.
my spouse or.
Okay, but you need to try.
Akan yung connect kan yung berat on hold disconnect aja.
But you need to use hand to have that hand, right? So who is next? You? Yeah. Okay. So you need to. You guys do have this here. Wait a minute. So here.
Kopi kan?
Yes.
Yeah, it's the same last week.
You have to send it here. Yeah. I remember.
Copy,
I teach already.
Kopi?
Okay. So here you need to see.
Langsung right click.
So who is be the next? Okay. You?
Eh,
You need to compare.
error.
Someone. Copy. Help her. Plug it. And but this device plug in.
What?
The device is plug in, but not show light. So that means you just. Okay. Here you can see that it will be relate. But it doesn't relate means your power didn't relate. So what's not here? No. It doesn't work. Okay. Because
And you will.
I think miss the port.
Error dia.
She is so for first, you need to check out your device is power or not power. So first you just plug it out. Okay.
Oh, but what is error? When you copy and then open, right?
Right. And make your error. No, it's here. Link your copy. And you will download. Oh, you forgot. Oh, I'm so sad. Next time you won't see me. I'm so sad. So really sad. Just guys forget everything. Oh, good job. Good job.
Too much.
Nice job.
We learn to forget.
I'm very sad. Okay, so you just open your app. And click BT list, device list. You will see, right? Wow. You will see every Bluetooth you have connect before, right? But you will see just for one HC-05. That means yours. And you can see a number and behind your device, take out your BT module device. Behind your BT module number will be the same as this one, right?
I can't read it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
0011. 0019. Yeah, it's the same, right? That means your this BT module make address number. So you got a wrong number. Is that right?
I don't know. I can't
0, 0.
I think it's like
Uh,
9 or what?
okay, okay. My student writes very not.
It's not
Hey.
clear.
Oh,
But
yeah,
it's
yeah.
clear.
Okay, next step we'll try.
Okay.
Yeah. As my students works, I teach my elementary school students to write this one. But
Really?
I think that is very ugly.
Elementary student?
Yeah, I'm teaching
So-
elementary school.
They're better than us.
They are very study hard. Okay? They are focused on study. Focus on study. Guys, you need to focus on study. My elementary school student can do this one. So you need to focus on study. Okay? But their work is ugly. Because my students 5, 6 grades.
Oh, okay.
And I teach computer for 4 grades. Yeah.
Same age with our children.
What?
Same age with our
No.
children. Yeah.
No. Oh, for first, right? Oh, the same age, right?
No, means your student is the same age with our